So hi and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be testing the new Hotline's anti-slip tape. I've already done a video on the older version, I'll put a link in the description. And this is their new updated version here, which we'll take a look at and see what improvements they've made. This grip tape is for the Logitech G Pro Wireless, which is renowned for being slippy. This one's about 6 months old, maybe a little bit older now, and originally when I reviewed this, it was extremely slippy. And I've been trying out some different grip tapes on it. I am yet still to try the lizard tape that I've got, and I will be doing that, as well as some other tape as well, gun tape, to see which ones give the best anti-slip here, particularly on the sides of the Logitech G Pro Wireless. We're going to use a caliper here as well to measure the thickness, to see what the difference is going to be, in case it adjusts your grip. We've got some scales here to see what the additional weight's going to be, because everyone's very sensitive about weight at the minute. And then a few people have recommended Scotch tape here to stop damaging the side of the mouse, although I didn't find the original Hotline grips to do this. I thought today I'd put some Scotch tape on it in case a few people are uncomfortable with this, to show you that you can use that to protect the mouse so there's no sticky residue left on it. Now, if you're not familiar with my channel, I've also got a website called Beardedbob.com where I show all my other videos and statistics for things like mouse glide tests that I do for mouse pads, mice reviews, all that information, so go and check it out. On there also is a voting system that allows you to vote for what videos you want to see going forward. I put up the ones that I'm going to do with what I've got in kind of my house at the minute lying around, and then you can help me prioritize what videos you guys and girls want to see going forward and what I need to focus on. At the moment, the Logitech G Pro Wireless mouse reduction video is top of that priority, and that is coming. I'm just waiting for a battery from AliExpress to arrive, and then I'll be doing that weight reduction video, which should be quite interesting going forward. If there's something you want to see me review but it's not on there, feel free. There's also a request form on there as well. These mouse grips were sent to me from a Reddit user called Talaska, so thank them for sending out these pads. I'll also put a link to the mouse review form in my description as well as links to where you can buy these from if you want to get some yourself. So let's go and install these.
secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh,
What do I think of the new grips here from Hotlines? While reviewing the first ones, I wasn't overly keen with the plastic they were using. And then now I think they've used a bit more of a softer material. It's this new material, the grease doesn't settle on it, which it did in the original stuff. I'm still not a fan of the rubber on the top buttons, but I think the sides certainly benefit, given how slippery this mouse can be. I think if you're after more grip, then the Hotline side bits, the way they're tailored, certainly worth checking out. The installation was easy. Again, they've templated it really well, and that makes it very easy to install and fits perfectly around the G Pro wireless. I mean, overall, did they provide more grip? Definitely on the sides. I can barely tell there. The side buttons are still usable. They're worth about £6 UK, $6. I'd say so, especially for the sides. Could you cut your own? 100%. Do you want to mess around like I did with the Scotch tape? Depends if you want to cut it. You only get one pack in there. Bit of a shame, it would have been nice to get 2 sets given the money. Certainly a bit more sticky than the older Hotlines, but sometimes they'll be a bit slippy, especially when you've got a bit of a sweaty hand. On these ones, they've certainly improved that. There's a slight bit of give in the tape here, getting a bit more cushioning. It's not much though, like your finger sinks into it. Did they add more weight? Well, we saw that. We saw with the Scotch tape on it, it's 3 grams, and we saw without Scotch tape, it's 2 grams. Would I use Scotch tape? I find they peel off really easy without any issue here, these Hotlines. Scotch tape's probably worth using on something like lizard tape, something with a bit more stronger adhesive. The Hotlines, they got good adhesive, and you can peel it on and off a few times before it loses its stickiness. I don't find it's a problem in terms of leaving any residue on the mouse, as I didn't with the original Hotline grips either. I think for me, I'd certainly use it on the sides. Like I say, I wouldn't use it on the buttons. I don't find that's a problem for me. In fact, I don't particularly like it. That's not just because of these Hotlines, I just don't like the tape on there in general, but I do like it on the sides. It makes the G Pro a lot easier to grip. Has it changed the shape? Yes. Significantly? No, not really. Not that I've noticed, and I use the G Pro on a daily basis. So as always, thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see something else, and I'll see you all again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.